Let us do another solved example. The question is in the description also. A body covers 12 meter in second and 20 meter in fourth second. So instead of distance covered in 2 seconds and distance covered in 4 seconds, now it is distance covered in second, that 1 second, and the distance covered in fourth second. How much distance will it cover in 4 seconds after 5th second? So here we are given that distance covered in second is equal to 12 meter and distance covered in fourth second is equal to 20 meter. Now for the distance covered in nth second, we already derived the formula u plus a by 2n minus 1. This is the formula. So if we apply this formula on both of these pieces of information one by one, for applying for this, the value of xn will be 12, u plus a by 2. The value of n is 2 here, so it will be 2 into 2, 4 minus 1, 3. So our equation will be u plus 3 by 2a. So this will be our first equation. Now similarly, if we apply this formula here, it will be 20 equals to u plus a by 2, 2n minus 1, here n is 4, so 2 into 4, 8 minus 1, 7. So the equation that we are going to get is u plus 7 by 2a. This will be our second equation. So now these are two linear equations and there are two unknown variables u and a. So if you solve these equations, and this part you will do yourself, this is the mathematical part. So solving equations 1 and 2, you will get the values of u and a, and it should come out to be, value of u should come out to be 6 meter per second and value of a should be equal to 4 meter per second. These are the values that I am getting. Check whether you are getting the same values. So initial speed for this particular journey is 6 meter per second and the acceleration is 4 meter per second square. Now the question is asking how much distance will it cover in 4 seconds after 5th second. What does it mean? Let us say that this is the timeline of this journey and it is starting from 0 and we have these divisions till 10 seconds. So 4 seconds after 5th second. So 5th second is still here and 4 seconds after this 5th second. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means the journey will end at the starting of 9th second. This is your end of the journey and you have to find out the distance traveled in this much duration. Not the complete distance traveled, not the entire distance, only this much duration. So if I calculate the distance traveled in 9 seconds and distance traveled in 5 seconds and minus them, subtract them, I'll get this much distance traveled in these 4 seconds. So what we are exactly going to do is distance traveled in 9 seconds minus distance traveled in 5 seconds. This will give us the distance traveled in last 4 seconds of the journey. So what we are going to use the formula, second equation of motion, x equals to ut plus half at square. So we use them for this. Distance traveled in 9 seconds. So I am directly putting the values. U is 6, t is 9, so 6 into 9 plus half, acceleration is 4 and 9 square. So this is the distance traveled in 9 seconds minus distance traveled in 5 seconds. So 6 into 5 plus half, 4 into 5 square. If we calculate this much, we will get our answer, distance traveled in 4 seconds. So you calculate this part yourself and this should come out to be, this value should be 216 minus, and I am getting 80 for this. So that means the distance traveled in 4 seconds will be equal to 136 meter and this should be the answer to this question.